feet, zero, like literally just a solid 5 feet, so I'm shrimpy, I'm pretty short. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and push bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I have another luxury unboxing. I'm so excited. A lot of you guys always ask me like what my next luxury purchase will be, and well, I thought why not unbox it on camera, show you guys kind of what fits in it, because it is a bag, what fits in my bag, how I will style it and stuff like that. So here we have the package right here, and this is again from Fashionphile. I love ordering on Fashionphile. Reason I am obsessed, so I'm going to link Fashionphile down below if you guys are interested in, you know, starting your own little luxury collection. I think Fashionphile is the perfect place because they have such clear images of the items. Everything is exactly as it says it is. I love that it has a description that shows exactly how the item, you know, will arrive. It tells you of any defaults or any defects on the item, and I really like that. And this isn't sponsored or anything like that. I just really like ordering on Fashionphile. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. That was the unboxing. I am so excited for my new baby. I've always wanted a YSL like this. Now that I have unboxed it, I can tell you guys a reason why I opted for this one, this size in particular. So I don't know if you guys know, but these YSL bags that have this chain tend to be quite heavy. The chain is a heavy chain, so if you have like a big heavy bag attached to it, it can kind of dig into your shoulder. And the reason why I opted for this small one here is because the smaller the bag, you know, the less items, the less heavy it will be, given it already has quite the heavy chain. I feel like these are, you know, definite, you know, either evening bags or just small practical bags is what these are best for. Because I have another YSL, it's in the croc print, it's a sunset bag, and it has the chain strap, and it tends to be quite heavy. So let me go get it so I can show you guys a comparison. This is my sunset bag that I got a couple of years ago. I do still love this bag, but this chain is heavy, and although it does have this leather piece at the top, it's still quite a heavy bag because the chain is also so heavy. Now let me show you the size difference. You will see how much smaller the YSL that I just purchased is. It is a lot smaller, and I am so excited because I've already tried this on crossbody and it looks so good for my height. As you guys know, I am 5 feet 0, like literally just a solid 5 feet, so I'm shrimpy, I'm pretty short, and this bag is absolutely perfect crossbody on me. It looks so amazing, and it's also super lightweight in comparison to this one. This one feels heavy even while it's empty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into what you can fit in this bag. I'm gonna grab some of my essentials and we'll see what all we can fit in this. Again, it is a small bag, so I don't think it's going to pack too many things in it, but let's find out. I hadn't grabbed all my essentials. Of course, my phone. The case I have on it right now is from Casetify. You guys always ask about my phone cases, so I'll link that. I have my car keys. This car key thing is also this car key thing is from eBay, so I will link it below. So this is where I keep my car keys. I have my sunglasses. I have a lip product, because normally I will put a lip product in my bag. And then I even brought a little perfume, and I'm just going to see if we can fit all of this in there. Oh yeah, and I also have a card holder. I just have my little YSL card holder here. So we're going to start out opening the bag. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the card holder and show you guys. So here's what the card holder looks like on its own. We're gonna put in my phone. Phone does fit in there. If you have like a 11 Pro Max or like any of the Plus or Max phones, it will not fit in this bag, but I just have the 12 Pro, so that fits. So we have my keys. So this is everything I was able to fit in there, and it's basically my keys, my card holder, my lip product, and my phone. I was not able to fit my sunglasses in there, but I'm thinking that might be alright, because normally I keep these in my car. Like for the day, I will have them in my car, or I'll have them like this on my head, pretty much always. So yeah, I guess it's not a big deal that these don't fit in there, but these are my Chanel sunglasses. A lot of you guys ask questions about these. I don't know the exact name, but I will also link them. All of those items fit in here quite snug, like this barely shuts. So I would even recommend like maybe taking the keys out and just like a lip product, phone, and card holder if you would like more room. So that's kind of what fits in this bag. Again, I would say it's definitely more of an evening bag. Very minimal bag, so you will wear this, you know, when you don't have too many things to carry with you. Personally, this probably would not be my everyday bag, but I know this will be a special occasion fashion bag that I like to wear, you know, when I don't need to carry too many things. I think this is also a really good shopping bag because it's actually more lightweight than I anticipated. It actually feels really nice on the shoulder, so I would even use this to go shopping because I typically don't wear sunglasses indoor to go shopping. And also I have a strap that holds my keys that I strap around my wrist, so I don't technically need to have my keys inside of this, or I could even hook this to the side of the bag, you know, and wear it that way. So, you know, the options are there. I can also fit my perfume in here as well, as long as I don't fit, like, you know, my keys in there. I can fit my perfume in it too. So that's kind of what fits in this bag. Hope this helped you guys. Go into how I would style this bag now and just show you guys like a little outfit I put together to wear with the bag. So you can see it's very, very versatile. It can look very casual. It can also look very dressy. Just depends what you're wearing. Here's kind of an outfit I put together to wear with this bag. I just felt that this was casual but dressy at the same time, so it's kind of maybe like a good in between. So I have this jumper on from Target. It's just leopard print. I believe they do still have this available because I just got it. I'm wearing some pink Levi jegging legging pant things and some thigh-high boots that are like a taupe brown color. And yeah, there we have the bag. As you guys can see how it looks, it's just very easy to wear, surprisingly. I feel like this would match so many things. What it looks like from the side, it's just a very cute little, you know, statement bag that makes any outfit look a little bit more expensive. This is what it looks like. I love how it looks with so many different outfits. I'm so excited. It even matches my Gucci loafers. Let me show you guys. These are my Gucci loafers in the color Perfect Pink and the YSL looks so cute.
next to it.
Guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in my new YSL bag, and I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how I style it. If you guys want to continue to see luxury unboxings and see me styling luxury bags, or if you want to see more luxury content, just give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.